Hey y'all, welcome to Cheers for Beers. I'm Emily.
I'm Brennan.
I'm Dakota.
I'm Mason.
And I'm Ryan.
And today we are here to talk to you about our app and as to why you should use Cheers for Beers. Starting with, you can rate and review different beers and establishments within the Columbia area. You can also explore the different types of beers by type, flavor, ABV, and appearance, because we all like a nice, pretty looking beer every once in a while. And we also allow it to where you and your friends can create collaborative lists to share and build different beer lists. So you can kind of talk about, hey, I had this night and I want you to kind of try it, or hey, we should go try this tomorrow. And so you can create a closer community with your friends and family. It also has geolocation searching, so you can search for nearby breweries, taverns, and bars, so you can find the next place you want to go. Because honestly, half the time, all the bars end up getting mixed in with different food places, so it's harder to find what you're really looking for. And we also have an event and loyalty program so you can view local brewery events as well as earn points and try to beat your friends. And moving on, we also have a seamless experience for regular as well as business users. And for regular users, they can track their personal favorites, get beer recommendations, join shared lists, so we can all have a fun time all together just as regular users. And business users, we also have a professional sense for you because you can manage your own establishment. You can post the different beers, the menus, and events so that you can stay up to date with everything and keep your users up to date on what's going on. And this also allows you to engage with your customers as well as to boost your visibility so you can get more patronage. And now moving on to Dakota.
Hey, so for our tech stack, we're going to be using Node.js, which is a backend JavaScript runtime environment, MySQL for the database management, Spring Boot for backend framework, React Native for front-end libraries, Java 17 for our backend program language, Maven for package management, Docker for our containers for the front end, and then Expo Go for mobile app testing, and then Azure for backend hosting. For our app demo, we're going to have Ryan and Mason.
Is this you?
Yeah, you know me with my Miller Lite.
You only like Miller Lite? You never had like a Columbiana or like a Vale or a Columbia Craft Lager?
Well, I don't know where to find any beers like that.
Oh, I gotta show you this app. This app will change your life. It's called Cheers for Beers.
Really? Let me check it out.
Yeah.
I guess I need to register. Here, let me enter my username and my email. Ooh, I guess I gotta put in my birthday too.
Make sure you're 21.
Yep. Oh, I need a password.
No, don't show anyone.
Oh, obviously, we have it protected. You can't see what's happening. Cool. Now it's time to log in. So how does this work, Mason?
So on that home screen you see there, we have a random beer that is generated, and it shows you where it's available at, and it gives you all the specs of it. It gives you the ABV, what type of beer it is, what the appearance of it is, what flavor it has, what notes it has, and what distributor sells them. It also has some size and price information for certain beers, and a button to open in maps for where the location is. Let's check that out.
Wow, that's so close.
It's only 37 minutes.
Cool. What else can I do with this app?
Well, it's not just for looking at one random beer. You could actually just go, if you go to that beers tab at the bottom, it'll show you all the different beers that are in the system. And the same with the breweries tab at the bottom. It'll show you all the breweries. If you look at the beers, you can click on them, And if you can see in great detail the available sizes and how much they cost. And it also shows you their reviews. Now, if you press that plus button in the bottom right, you can add it to a collaborative list or write a review. Let's try writing a review.
Sounds good. I don't know about this one. This one seems like it's good, but not the best.
You didn't like it?
I'm not sure. I think I need a second one to really make sure that I like it.
Maybe a third.
Maybe even a fourth.
All right. Now you can see under reviews, it shows you your review.
Wow. Is there anywhere else I can go to look at and manage it?
Yeah, so if you see that bottom tab that says My Reviews,
Yeah.
click on that. There you go. There's your beer review. And if you press edit, you can change your review. If you change your mind, say you had your fifth one, and you're like, it's growing on me, or don't like it at all. You can change your rating, and let's give the Carolinian
Let's give it a 5.
the best. Yeah. All right, and then there it is, saved. And you can also delete that review, but we're gonna keep it in there.
Yeah, we want to make sure people know what we think about the Carolinian.
Exactly. Now let's check out the breweries. All right.
Wow. Let's check out Columbia Craft Brewing Company.
You ever been there?
Once, I think.
All right, let's see their
Oh.
menu.
Wow, you can see all the beers that they have on their menu and navigate back to that beer details page.
Isn't that really cool?
That is really cool and accessible. Oh, you can
It's
see
also-
upcoming events as well.
There you go. Are you free any of those nights?
I think I could go to the acoustic night. Sounds fun. Can we
Meet you
write?
there?
So what's this button for in the bottom right-hand corner?
So that's if you want to write a review about the actual bar and not just the beers.
Wow. I kind of remember going here. I think I had a great time.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they have a food truck too. It's pretty cool. All right, now let's go check out the place where you saw the reviews last time. Now the tabs at the top, you can filter between establishments and beers.
Wow.
Let's check out the beer lists. I got to send you an invite to my beer list. I'm sending you one right now. All right. It is sent.
All right, let me go check out, I guess, this mailbox feature. Oh,
Oh,
wow. I've been
Look at
invited.
that.
Nice. Now I'm in the group.
Awesome.
Ooh, but we have no beers in the list.
Yeah, so let's go check out the beers.
Let's add the Carolinian to it since we just reviewed it.
Since we had 5 of those, let's go add that to the list.
It says it's been added, so let's go check it out. There it is.
Oh man,
Nice.
that's just so cool.
Wow.
You want to check out that profile next?
Yeah, let's see what's going on with the profile. Oh, I can see my username, my email, and my account type. But what are these loyalty points?
So every time you review something or add something to a list, you get a point. And every time you take away one of those, you lose a point. So you can see how well you contribute to the app and compete with your friends for those loyalty points.
Wow, that's amazing. Well, I think I'm done for right now, so I'm going to log out.
Perfect.
But Mason, I'm kind of curious. How do these breweries manage their establishments?
You know, Ryan, I'm not an expert on that, but you know who is? My friend Brennan, who's actually a local business owner and owns a few breweries. Hey, Brennan, can you help him out?
Sure thing, Mason. Hey, Ryan, I heard you want to learn more about this Cheers for Beers app.
Yeah.
So first things first, let's click on that mailbox app, something I check every day.
Wow,
Would you
looks
look
like
at
you have
that?
a new review.
Yeah, it looks like it might be from you earlier. Just had a
Wow.
great time at my breweries and liked my Carolinian. But it looks like I have a lot clustered up. Let's try to get rid of some. Swipe there and click delete. Ah, that clears up my mailbox now. It's great. Looks so much better. Let's go check out the rest of the stuff I can do. Let's try adding a new establishment. I just opened up a new brewery called Iron Hill Brewery. You should go try it sometime. Obviously, for the owner name, have to put my name. We got to put the new address in. And it's right in Columbia where you live, too. Now we got
Ooh,
to add the type.
What are your hours?
Oh, great thing. Can do it for individual days. On Mondays to Thursdays, we're open from 11 a.m. to 11 p.m.
We might have to go through and like add these hours later. So let's just say we're closed the rest of the week, except for Sunday. We'll stay open for Sunday.
Yeah, of course. We'll be open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. And a perfect image of my brewery. But now
There
that
it
we've
is.
added it, we've got to add beers to it now. People got to see what we have to offer. Let's try adding a beer to it. We have one called the Imperial Stout, one of my favorites. A very dark beer with a coffee flavor at 9.8% ABV. It's a stout, and it's dark. And we distribute it ourselves.
Ooh, but what sizes does it come in?
Oh, great thing you should ask. We offer it in 16-ounce sizes.
How much does it cost for a 16-ounce?
About $10.
Wow. Well, I guess we better add an image.
Looks great.
Look at that. I guess we should try adding an event though, right?
We should. We have some new events coming up. We have first one is called King of the Hill. It's an appreciation night. We'll have small pint tastings. And half off pizzas.
Now, what
And
day
we're
is
gonna
it?
This is gonna be May 1st from 5 to 7 p.m. We can add an image to it, and we can always come back and add an image later.
Well, would you look at that? What an amazing app.
It's perfect for brewery owners like me.
And that's a wrap. Thank you very much.